What is your baby doing over there? Just sitting on his butt, chewing on a big old bone. Great, give me the bloody kisses. Thank you. Give me some bloody kisses. More from big fatty meat bone over there. We haven't given him any food yesterday because he got my fellow Logan and he was all beat up. So we let his body go into healing mode. We'll give him a quick fast. He's got a bowl of kibble in the house. Eggs and sardines in it. You just chew it right up, buddy. Chew it up. Chew it up. What do you think you're doing? Let me get a different angle. Logan's a little lumped up too. A bloody ear. Oh, what's this? What's Phoenix got? Is it a pig head? Oh, where you going with that pig head? Huh? Where'd she go? Where'd Carol go? Zoe. Zoe. You are so pretty. Let's pack out. Oh.